Asset maintenance management is a continuous process improvement strategy for the improvement of availability, reliability, safety, and longevity of physical assets, such as systems, facilities, equipment, and processes. How well are your assets being looked after? Well-maintained assets are key to effective production levels. Do you have an integrated, up-to-date, detailed register of all your assets? Do you know where all your assets are and what condition they are in? Poorly maintained assets will have a detrimental and sometimes devastating effect on production and company profits due to machine breaks, waste material, and a host of other issues. Effective asset management is critical to ensure machine availability, reliability, and optimized operational and maintenance costs. If you are seeking to improve the effectiveness of your organization or maintenance function, then welcome to the wonderful world of asset management. And here we will discuss and learn about the role of the asset life cycle and the importance of a correctly structured and well-maintained, accurate asset register, which is vital to the ongoing productivity and profitability of your organization.